What's up, my stylish people? This is Shank. Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is all about Jack & Jones haul. In specific for the shirts, these are new arrivals, but few of them you can get them on discount starting from 20 to 50% off. So let us get started with the shirt number 1. It is a white and black abstract printed full sleeve shirt from Jack & Jones that I got it in a size of medium. It is priced at 3,300 rupees. I think there is some 30% off going on this one. I got this somewhere close to 2,500 to 2,600. Yes, it's super expensive. When it comes to the fit of the shirt, it's a slim fit shirt and it fits really well and went true to size with the Jack & Jones slim fit option. When it comes to the category of clothing, in specific for the Jack & Jones brand, it comes under the Jack & Jones core category, not the premium version. And this particular fabric has been mentioned by Jack & Jones that it's an easy to iron fabric. Means it don't wrinkle that much, but it do wrinkle, but it is easy to get that wrinkles out. That's what they meant with this fabric, rather than considering this as a wrinkle free option. But that's not the only attraction for this shirt. Rather, the main attraction for this shirt would be the print. And I really love the colors of this print. One, of course, it's a white color, it's a neutral color, and the other color would be the space gray to black color. It looks really cool in this white and darkish gray color combination. I think I have seen a similar kind of pattern in terms of the color combinations on the Armani site. That must be priced maybe 25 to 30,000, not to discuss about those price points, but that is something which is trending. I really like the attention to detail when it comes to this shirt in terms of the button placements, and they are color coordinated with the darkest color, which is the black color, of course. And as I mentioned earlier, it's a slim fit shirt. It fits really well to me. However, for my height, there is a minor disqualifier for all the Jack & Jones shirts in particular. It is the overall length. It's a tiny bit long, maybe an inch or two. According to my height, may not be for you. That takes me to an important point I would like to talk to you guys. Because of the pattern as well as the color combination, even though these shirts are more inclined towards the casual option, but I like to really dress them in a semi-casual option. Always make sure that you go for a darker, well-fitting bottom wear so that you can get that semi-casual look. In my opinion, I feel that these kind of prints, when you go with the right color combinations, these can be a statement smart casuals in your wardrobe. That's my opinion. Your perspective may differ. I totally agree with you. Moving on to the shirt number 2. It is a grey and black printed full sleeve slim fit shirt from Jack & Jones. I got this in a size of medium and I got this at a price point of 1,950 rupees after discount. Why I picked this one? You might be thinking, what is the point of picking this kind of a shirt where there is text all over it? That's what exactly trending right now. This may not be the shirt for each and every one. If you are not already covered with the basics, none of the shirts which you are seeing in this video are for you. Make sure that you invest in the right quality basics first and start investing in these kind of statement options. Let's talk about the huge letter prints on this shirt. This is something which is trending in specific in 2021. If you see any of the collection from the fast fashion brands, you might find at least few pieces with text or letters in this huge bold manner. In Zara, I think they have the contrasting one in the black and white and also yellow and black. In Jack & Jones also they have few options, but I have gone with this option because grey and black generally gels well and there is not much contrast when it comes to the letters as well as the normal base color of the shirt. To be honest, this shirt is something which I'm not gonna wear too often. But whenever you want to experiment in terms of your styling, these kind of shirts look really cool. And the best part, as I mentioned earlier, would be the color combination. Here the base color for this shirt is a gray color, which is a neutral color. On top of that, the letters are printed in the black color, which makes it easy to mix and match with the bottom wear as well as your footwear. That's not to forget. Apart from that, the remaining factor stays the same. When it comes to fit, it is a slim fit shirt. It fits really well, albeit with a 1 inch or 2 inch more in terms of length according to my height. And also when it comes to material composition, it's 100% cotton and the material feels premium as well, just like the shirt number 1. Moving on to the shirt number 3, and my favorite of all in this video, it's the one which I'm wearing right now. It is a black abstract printed full sleeve shirt from Jack & Jones that is priced at 2,800 rupees. Why I love this shirt that much? Number 1, of course, the print and the color combinations. Even though at a glance this print might look cluttered, but I really like the color combinations for this print. Of course, the base for this shirt is a black color one. On top of that, you have the off-white, green as well as mustard going on with the prints, which makes the colors pop because the base is black color, right? And number 2 would be the viscose composition. Unlike all the other shirts in this video, this shirt is 100% viscose. Even though it feels like a cotton viscose blend, but the material feels so smooth on the skin. When it comes to the fit, generally shirts which are made of viscose, they tend to go on the relaxed side or regular fit. This one fits really well. I went with the size medium. It is a slim fit shirt and it fits exactly how a slim fit should be. So I like the fit, I like the pattern. If you guys know me, I am someone who considers the minor attention to details, because in my perspective, that's what makes the clothing pieces from good to better. There are two of them for the shirt. Number one, the buttons. Just like the shirt number one, here they're color coordinated, but here they have a dual tone to it, with the brownish or black version to the other shade of brown. So I like the dual tone when it comes to the buttons. And the second one would be the button down collar. Because of the button down collar, of course it's gonna increase the versatility. You can easily wear this shirt as a semi-casual option. Moving on to the shirt number 4 and shirt number 5. These are the similar vertical striped shirts in different colorways. And both are from Jack & Jones because it's a Jack & Jones haul, and both are priced at 2,500 rupees. And also the best part is that both of them are discounted at 50% off. Even though these are newer arrivals, you can get these at a price point of 1,250 rupees. However, I got both of the shirt in a size of large. Do I need to really mention that I love vertical stripes, be it any type of clothing? However, Jack & Jones this season has released vertical stripes in different colorways. Moving in specific to the shirt number 4, which is a black vertical striped shirt from Jack & Jones, and here the best part would be the color combination, because they have two pop colors in terms of the blue color as well as orange color. In case if you are the one who are looking for a black vertical stripe with pop colors, just like a flannel shirt, how the base is a dark color and you have the pop with the checks, this is the shirt to go. And when it comes to shirt number 5, here the color combination is all about the pastel colors. You can see the mauve color or the light brown color and light mineral green color, and also with the white and black going ever so slightly. So if you're looking for something which is subtle among the vertical stripes with different colors in it, this might be the option to go. If I have to pick one among these both, I would pick this option because the colors look really great with this one. When it comes to the fit of the shirt, these are the slim fit shirts. I ordered size medium to start with, but it's too tight for me, so I have to go with the size large with these options. And the same disqualifier when it comes to overall length, it stays the same with this one, and the fact that I went with one size up doesn't help the cause either. When it comes to the composition for both of the shirts, these are the 100% cotton shirts. However, there are two minor disqualifiers, very minor one. As the material for this shirt is cotton, I expected that to be a little bit better or on par with the quality of the shirt number 1 or maybe shirt number 2, but here the material overall is a little bit thin. The material doesn't scream quality, and because of that, the collar is not exactly rigid and it tends to spread out. That's not something which is ideal. And the second thing would be the buttons. The buttons have slightly plasticky feel to it. It's not because they are transparent and they are in the white color, but the quality is not great when it comes to the buttons as well. That's it for this video on the Jack & Jones haul of shirts. I hope you guys liked it, and as I mentioned earlier, in case if you're not covered with the basic options, these are not the shirts for you. There is another video on my channel I released very recently on the smart casual shirts you should invest. Make sure that you click the video link in the description below, and also don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more content like this. That's it from me. See you next time.